Man, them, life is very difficult for some woman. No joke about it. Here is why. Imagine you grew up your whole life and you're a man, a con man, a tech man things to survive. That's how you survive. That's how you make your living. Pum sales. And it happen that you end up a breed and have one boy picnic. And now, you have to tell this boy picnic now how to protect himself against all of what you went there do, man. Because I'm fucked up, you know. But me now tell you, say you no still enough to try. You no have to protect your boy picnic. Tell them the truth. So for all them younger woman and what they come here now, let me suggest say you no teach them boy picnic while then they grow up and they see how they do it. Say, look here, son. This is what me I do. I go fuck up a man here, but we have to eat. When you come of age, don't make no woman do that to you. That is why me I teach you now. But instead, you know, wait till when it's late sometime. Which is where me come in. Man them. Self-preservation is key. Yeah? Look out for yourself. Save no money. Use it to do the things that you benefit from. See? Keep on your eye open.